Happy Friday. Phil Lindemann with your news from Avalanche Physical Therapy on Krystal 93. A COVID outbreak at Summit Middle School has sickened 13 children in 3 weeks, including some who went to school for up to 4 days with symptoms. Health Director Amy Wineland from this Tuesday.
Most of our pediatric cases are not because they are spreading the virus within the school setting. These are cases that are happening likely outside of the school, either with extracurricular activities or gatherings.
Public Health says this outbreak was confirmed after that midday meeting, and what Wineland said was accurate at the time. Summit confirmed 7 cases by Tuesday evening, another 5 cases by this Wednesday. Caseload for 10 to 19-year-olds spiked on September 30th. Since then, that age group has claimed the county's highest caseload. The year of record tax revenue rolls on in Frisco and Breckenridge. Through August, town of Frisco is $1.2 million ahead of last year. Breck is $5.3 million ahead. Those are the biggest gains for any local towns. But some industries are waning, like retail, restaurants, marijuana, and liquor in Frisco, all down compared to last August. In Breck, marijuana and utilities took a hit. We've been talking to candidates for Summit School Board, like Joanna Kugler, appointed this July when Isabel Rodriguez resigned.
I'm not scared of turmoil and things that are a little up in the air. I think that actually that can allow for some stress on the system and movement and change.
Tune in all next week at 4 and 5 p.m. for our exclusive interviews with the candidates. When local firefighter Skip Bergbauer passed away at home this summer, he left an unusual legacy. Krystal correspondent Matt Renoux of 9 News reports.
He loved, among several things in his life, his family and firefighting, he loved roasting coffee.
But Skip did not just love it, he lived it.
When we say that Skip liked roasting coffee and had coffee beans, it's a bit of an understatement because his fellow firefighters walked into his garage and he had 3,000 pounds of coffee beans still because he liked to buy in bulk.
This fall, Red, White, and Blue Fire has partnered with Cuppa Joe in Breck to sell Bergbauer's blends.
You get some great coffee from a coffee scientist who bought beans from all over the place. And so they've broken these beans down. They've decided what is going to go best together, and then they've created these blends.
All proceeds go back to Skip's family, helping put his 2 young daughters through college. Find those beans at Cuppa Joe. It's been below freezing most mornings, and the snow guns are firing at 4 of 5 local resorts this week. Copper, A-Basin, Keystone, and Loveland have been testing their snowmaking systems overnight. No opening day announcements yet, but Facebook is all over the guessing game. On the Keystone page, people are guessing late October, maybe early November, and as soon as next Thursday, October 14th. But one guy was on the ground this week, saying he hiked up Durka Mountain and did not see any snow. In sports, the Nuggets played the Timberwolves tonight at 7. And in local sports, Summit High Cross Country's been down at the North Glen meet today. Tomorrow, Tigers football plays Glenwood Springs at home at 1. Summit Girls Rugby is in Salt Lake City for the Pink Sevens tournament. And on Sunday, the high school mountain bike team races the Granby Ranch Roundup. Phil Lindemann with your news from Avalanche Physical Therapy on Krystal 93.